In just 1 minute, let's learn important functions of Excel.
Now let's say, for example, in this cell, we need to find out the total number of characters. So we'll use the formula is equal to LEN, open the bracket, select the cell, close the bracket, enter. So it returns the number of characters in this particular cell, which is 13. Pay attention, it also includes the space or commas, colons, etc. Next, if you look at this cell, there is a lot of space between Rahul and Patel, right? And if we want to trim it, that is just have one space, we'll use the formula is equal to trim, select the cell, enter. So if you notice, this removes the spaces which is there before, between, or after the words. Similarly, let's say sometimes we need a certain number of characters from the beginning or from the end. Let's say we have a security number or PAN card number, and if we want just the first 4 characters or the last 4 characters, then we can use this formula. So if we want the first 4 or first 5 characters, we use the formula is equal to left, select the cell, comma, and then put the number of characters which you want. Let's say 4 or 5, close the bracket, enter. So it will return those number of characters. Similarly, if you want last 4 digit or last 8 digit, we use the formula from right side, give me the last 8 characters. This is what the formula says. Enter. Concatenate. This is a very important function. So let's say we have name and first name and last name in separate columns or separate rows, and if we need to join them together, we use the concatenate function. We can also use AND function is equal to select the cell and this, enter. This also joins it. Or we can use concatenate function, concatenate, select the cell, comma. Now, if we just use concatenate function, it will join the first name and the last name together, and there will not be any space in between. If we want a space, we need to insert a space. So use inverted comma, space, close inverted comma, comma, and then select the last name cell, bracket close, enter. So now if you notice, there is a space between Abhinav and Sen. So there is a space between the first name and the last name. This again is a very interesting formula, repeat. So it repeats a specified text for a given number of times. Is equal to repeat, insert the text which you want to repeat, let's say Y or I, whatever, close the comma, close the inverted comma, comma. You can also specify the number here, or you can simply select the cell, close, enter. So now it is repeating Y. For 1 second, let's change it to I. So we have put it I here. We can select all the cells, Control D to copy the formula. Now where this will be used? Sometimes if we don't want to present a bar or column chart separately, we just have the data, and if we just want a visual representation, quickly find out the highest trending or lowest trending number, we can look at this column and spot it easily, right? Because we know that, this is repeating most number of times, so this is the highest, this is repeating the least, so this is the lowest. So sometimes it is very helpful to use this formula instead of going for bar and column charts. Right? Yes.
You can download this sheet from the link given in the description box. Do check out the next video to learn the next function. Thank you.